it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. I'm super excited because it's time to share our September 2022 new item release. We have some great products this month and we hope you love them as much as we do. First up is one of our quick card kits. This one is themed Sweet Christmas. It's got some super adorable characters, some hot cocoa mugs. We've got cupcakes in here, candy canes, gingerbread men, and much more. You have everything inside our quick card kits to make 8 adorable cards. You've got your card bases, pre-scored. You've got 8 envelopes, all the die cuts that you need. We have an assembly guide inside along with some embellishments as well. I'll flip it over and you can see 2 example cards that it makes. It makes 8 different cards. We have some new glitter enamel dots. These are called Floral Pumpkin. They were in our Crafty Courtyard kit and they're now available for individual purchase. Beautiful fall colors with that lovely sparkly glitter inside. Our incentive stamp set this month is called Winter Birdhouse. It's this birdhouse that you can hang on the branch or just set by itself. We have a couple snowflakes and an adorable little bird inside. I've colored mine like our Winter Cardinals set, which I'll show you next. So this is a 3x4 stamp set. If you spend $35 in the first week of the release or while supplies last, you'll get the stamp set for free. If you spend $65, you'll get the coordinating die as well. Our next stamp set and dies you saw at the first of the month. This is our Winter Cardinals. These are the stamp of the month, so you can still order them as the stamp and die of the month and get a great deal on them, or you can buy them individually now as well. Our next stamp set is called Pine Boughs, and it has a coordinating die to go along with it that you can purchase separately. And we've got some nice branches here with pine cones. We've got some holly and berries and some really nice holiday sentiments. Rejoice, tidings of comfort and joy, peace, season's greetings, and sending holiday cheer. Our next stamp set is 4x6. It's called Christmas Streamers. Now this stamp set does not have coordinating dies because as you'll see, it's one big stamp set in here that does all these streamers together. So it fits nicely on an A2 size card. You can stamp it a couple of times on a slimline card, and it just makes a beautiful backdrop for your card. You've also got sentiment down here, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The next stamp set is 4x6, and it's called Christmas Squares. And that's because all these cute characters fit perfectly in a square. They all have super cute expressions, and they're ready to make some really cute holiday cards. We don't have a specific coordinating die that goes with the Christmas squares, but we have a brand new square frames die set. So it cuts out these different frames, and those characters fit perfectly within the frame. So it does coordinate with them quite well. But you can also use the dies separately for other things. Our next stamp set and coordinating dies is called Gingerbread Kisses. This is a large 6x6 stamp set, and it's got the most adorable gingerbread men. Look at those. They're fighting with the frosting. One's taking a dip in some hot cocoa. Uh-oh, this one's already had a bite taken out of him. They have an adorable gingerbread house, a heart with candy canes. And look at these guys, they're stuck in the cookie jar. Oh no. And the sentiments go along with them. It says, Gingerbread Kisses, Sweet Christmas Wishes, Hot Cocoa Kisses. Oh snap, it's Christmas. May your holidays be sweet. It's beginning to taste a lot like Christmas. So you also have the and symbol there so that you could do Gingerbread Kisses and Hot Cocoa Kisses. Or you could do Gingerbread Kisses and Sweet Christmas Wishes, or Sweet Christmas Wishes and Hot Cocoa Kisses. You can mix and match them all. So that is Gingerbread Kisses, and we do have coordinating dies available for that set. Our last stamp set and coordinating dies is Nativity. Now this is a really large 6x8 stamp set, and it has all the characters that you need to create a beautiful nativity. And aren't they just sweet? We've got some great sentiments to go along with it. Rejoice and be glad. May your hearts be filled with peace. Jesus is the reason. Joy to the world. Merry Christmas. O Holy Night, and Christmas blessings. And we also have the coordinating dies to go along with this set. We have a new embossing folder this month. It's called the Leaves Embossing Folder, and it just creates this really nice leafy background. It'll make a great texture for your cards. I'm also really excited about this one. This is our Holly and Berries Emboss and Cut folder. So with one run through your die cut machine, you can cut out these holly and berries as well as emboss all the details in the paper. So you get like a three-dimensional die cut once you're done. We have a new stencil this month. It's called the Poinsettia Stencil. So you do this top portion with red here, and then you lay this over it, and you can do this in green, or you could do both of them in red and get a bigger poinsettia. And then we've got the center of it here that you could do in yellow. This is a very delicate stencil, like the little veins of the flower that give all that detail. It's very delicate, so you might want to use like your pixie spray or something like that to stick the stencil down so that they don't move when you're ink blending, but you can just gently ink blend over that and get a great effect. We have a new cardstock to our cardstock selection, and this is called Wildflowers. It's a beautiful deep orange, so it would be beautiful paired with our construction cardstock, which is a lighter orange. This is just a really deep, dark orange. It's gorgeous. It's great for fall, autumn. Think of pumpkins and fall leaves. It's 100 pound. It's a beautiful weight, high quality, milled in the US piece of cardstock. Are you loving the embossing powders that we've come out with? If you have not tried our embossing powders yet, you've got to try them. They emboss beautifully. You can use our magic anti-static brush beforehand to help eliminate all those strays that you might get. We mix all these colors in-house, and we hope you love them as much as we do. We're having so much fun with these. We're coming out with 7 new colors, and you're going to want each of these for your holiday crafting. Now you can use them all year round, but they are beautiful colors that work well for the holidays. I'm going to show you them embossed and up close. So this one is called Shiny Penny. And I know the camera just still does not do justice of seeing this in person, but this is a beautiful metallic copper with a copper glitter. And it has so much sparkle and shine. All of these are super shiny and sparkly. This one is our Platinum Ring. It's a beautiful metallic embossing powder. It's not quite silver, it's not quite gold. It's that platinum, that in between, and it just looks beautiful. Next up, we have Pink Champagne. This is a gorgeous rose gold is the best way I can explain it. It's got a beautiful pink undertone with flecks of pink and rose gold or gold tone glitter in it. It's just beautiful. Next we have Sterling. Sterling is a silver metallic embossing powder with silver glitter accent. So sparkly and shiny in person. Next we have Golden Palace. It starts with a gold embossing powder base with beautiful gold accent glitters, and it's so sparkly in person. I wanted to come out with some metallic colors, but I wanted them to be just a step above, like more than metallic, just so super sparkly, and these fit the bill perfectly. Next we have Cranberries. So this is a beautiful deep red metallic base with a bit of an iridescent glitter. So it's going to have flecks of different colors in it, everywhere from pinks and purples, a tiny bit of gold, silver maybe, but just a beautiful iridescent look on top of a deep red metallic. It's something you've got to see in person. It is beautiful. And last but not least, is our Spruce It Up. This is a gorgeous green metallic with several variations of colors of green glitter. So we get just a beautiful green sparkle and shine. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed taking this closer look at our September 2022 new product release. You can check all these products out over at pinkandmain.com or ask your local retailer. And don't forget our free with purchase stamp and die. You can find out more information about that on our website. It's good while supplies last or through the first week of our release. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.